2023 Ferrari SF90 Stradale, engine and transmission. The SF90 Stradale is built around a mid-engine architecture that plays host to a 3.99-liter V8 engine with twin turbochargers that develop 769 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, on its own the most potent 8-cylinder to ever wear a prancing horse badge. The combustion power is paired with a new 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox that shaves 22 pounds off the weight of the old 7-speed item. The Stradale is a little lighter on juice with a gas-only average of 18 miles per gallon. Price: $528,000. Seating and interior space. Modern Ferraris are many things, but traditionally, all-wheel drive isn't one of those. The last modern Ferrari supercar to boast all-wheel capability was the 4-seater GTC4 Lusso, and more recently, the Purosangue SUV was introduced with AWD. However, the SF90 Stradale, while placed on a similar pedestal from a price and GT emphasis perspective as the GTC4 Lusso, doesn't have the luxury of extra seats. Instead, you get 2 seats in a low-slung cabin, which means ingress and egress are somewhat ungraceful affairs best reserved for parking spaces with plenty of real estate to swing open the long doors. Infotainment and connectivity. All SF90 models come with an LCD monitor up front and a 6-speaker sound system. The car is also equipped with standard tech features such as Bluetooth phone and streaming audio, real-time traffic, and an integrated navigation system with a voice activation feature. Apple CarPlay integration is offered, but Android Auto isn't on the list of available amenities. About its safety, it includes 1. Standard backup camera. 2. Standard rear parking sensors. 3. Available blind spot monitoring. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell.